Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to draw a Toyota Tacoma step by step. First, let's establish the fundamental structure. Start by drawing a large rectangle for the main body of the truck. Then, place a slightly smaller rectangle on top of the front portion of the main body to represent the cab. These initial shapes are crucial for setting up the correct proportions and overall size of your Tacoma drawing. Think of them as your foundational building blocks. Now, let's refine those basic shapes into recognizable truck features. Gently round the corners of your main body and cab to give them a more natural, less boxy appearance. Next, carefully draw the prominent wheel wells and the Tacoma's characteristic fender flares. These details really start to define the truck's silhouette. Don't forget to add the windshield, side windows, and the main door lines. With the body taking shape, it's time for the smaller yet essential details. Draw the 4 circular wheels, ensuring they are evenly spaced and sized. Add some simple tire tread patterns for realism. Next, sketch the distinctive headlights and taillights, along with any fog lights on the front bumper. Don't forget the side mirrors, door handles, and perhaps a fuel cap on the side. These elements bring your Tacoma to life. Finally, let's bring your Toyota Tacoma drawing to a polished finish. Carefully erase all of your initial construction lines and any stray marks. Now, it's time to add shading. Use varying pressure to create darker areas for shadows and lighter areas for highlights, giving your truck a 3-dimensional appearance. This step truly makes your drawing pop. Take a moment to review your work for any missed details or areas for improvement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.